Together. Get swaddled in the stroller, Newman. Newman, are you in a date? Sadie, back him out so we can see. Don't even know what to do. What are you doing, you little sweet boy? Birthday to you and many more. He knows what to do. You're 3 years old. Are you 3? You're 3. You're gonna be 3 years old. That's so nice. You like the cake? Cake. Yeah. It's your birthday cake. Yeah. Do you want to taste some? Oh. Is that good? Yum, yum, yum. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Wait, yummy. You can have that piece, sir. Oh, hi. Up his hand will come. Boo! Oh, Gideon. Janessa, you're such a good aunt. Yes, are you talking to me? Really? I love you, Gideon. It's beautiful. Okay, make sure, Sophia, watch him so he doesn't fall. Get closer to him. I don't want him to fall.
Janessa, with your aunt Janessa.
We're here for Nehemiah's birthday, right, Nerd?
Oh, yes.
So special.
Hi, Nehemiah.
Enjoying this beautiful fall night and going for a bike ride. I have 3 of the children that are behind me, and there some of them are right there. But this area is absolutely, it's just beautiful. And I have been enjoying doing my diet plan and getting active every day. I just encourage all of you to just get active and work out, take a bike ride, enjoy the weather. It's just so good for you. We've all been conditioned to just sit in our houses, but we're created to enjoy God's creation outside. So, love it around.
The wind, it blows through the prairie wide, a dusty road, no need to hide. With boots worn down and a hat pulled low, it's a long way back, but we're in no hurry to go. The sun dips low in the amber sky, coyotes howl, a lonesome cry. With the stars alight, we carry on the dusty road home where we belong, singing sweet and low, a tale untold of the weary heart and the spirit bold through the fields of gold.
For years, we have done a tradition of going to a pumpkin farm since Nari, I think, was, I don't know, 2 or 3 maybe. And we have done it every year. We go to some type of fruit farm or pumpkin farm. And so we are having a fun family day. We're going to go to the pumpkin farm today. So we are going to have a good time. How many of you go to a pumpkin farm every year? I think it's some of the most wholesome family fun memories we can make. doing, gentlemen? Heute Mamas Papatoren. Ja. Dann kann man Mama kisses. Ja.